Hello traders, let's talk about prospective cryptocurrency and how to buy crypto in the scalable trading terminal. Today we are talking about Solana. Solana is a decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. Sol is one of the very few blockchains that took scalability seriously and produced remarkable results, as it's based on a new consensus called Proof of History, which along with other accompanying designs enabled horizontal scaling. It means that having higher capabilities than, for example, BTC, transactions within Solana blockchain are executed much faster. Solana can reach 65,000 transactions per second at a cost of $0.3025 per transaction. The most important thing about Solana, in just a year since its launch, Solana has become the second most popular NFT launch blockchain behind Ethereum, with several projects launching every day. Solana is powered by Rust, one of the most popular programming languages. Rust can be used to create a variety of applications such as new blockchains, marketplaces, or games, while being easy to use and more familiar than Solidity. This makes Solana blockchain more accessible to deploy applications than Ethereum, which together with low fees has led to the exponential growth of the Solana ecosystem. Solana is ranked number 8 at CoinMarketCap with a capitalization of $38 billion, making it one of the most successful crypto projects from top 10. Let's have a look how to buy Sol using Cscalp trading terminal. Here in the spot section, we should find the ticker Sol. Be sure you have enough funds at your spot account and spot trading to be allowed in the API management section. Then we should stipulate the amount of order in dollars there, and the terminal automatically turns it into a number of lots. You can put a limit order waiting for better prices to buy, for example placing it lower than the current price. It will be executed as soon as price reaches your limit order, or you can buy it right now by the market. There is no stop loss in spot trading, but if you place the opposite limit order of the same amount, it would close your position. You can also close positions partially, placing limit orders like that, and your profit or loss will be fixed by parts. The most important advantage of purchasing crypto through Cscalp is that when dealing with an order book, you always see the core resistance and support zones, participants of the market, and many other signs that could help you make your trade decisions. We hope this video will be helpful for you. The video was prepared for the Cscalp Trading Terminal team. Thank you.